Eyes are down.
One enemy remaining.
Let's go. This is just too OP.
Last player
Oh,
standing.
Planted the spike. No more charges left.
I thought I could crawl underneath this thing, but it hit me.
Camera taken out. Cage triggered. Cage triggered.
One enemy remaining.
You copies are nothing.
Got him. Back to A. G. God, the fucking blind.
One enemy remaining.
Got you. Nice. GG boys.
Flawless. Defend.
Not able to make anything land, though. There we go. There's some shots. Chicken gonna take down Strike. And that's gonna give MackdaddyB the momentum he needs. Move up, smoke. Covering that door. From the side, Daddy Judd able to get the first kill. Fighting on to Chicken, but no, Chicken's got the headshot on lock. Able to defuse as well. Nice, clean defense. The poll is up. Who's going to win, Hammers Esports or Indicus? A little bit more of an aggressive defensive tactic. Sees the back of Daddy Judd, able to put him down. 2v1. But MackdaddyB's got some ground to cover.
I have this fight.
Strike with the spike. Fake planning. He thinks he knows where they are, but he's wrong. Chicken from behind. What came first, the chicken or the gun? Chicken gonna get the quick kill. That's a 2-0 so far. Bender's locking it down. Time. Here we go. Push on to B. This is gonna be a quick peek. Chicken doesn't care. Chicken was having none of it. The quick peek was there, but they weren't able to get the shot, able to get anybody with it. Definitely getting a good push away from the spike. Now this angle right here is a dangerous angle.
Stim beacon here.
Ooh. Defusing the spike. Chicken clutches it. Strike plant. They always go on search and destroy mode. Strike doesn't want that pistol. It's gonna be a bad peek. Nice. Daddy Judd gets all of the distraction he needs. Strike trying to get the defusal, but unfortunately, in having to kill Chicken,
There.
gives up the defusal, and just like that, the bomb is gonna go off, and Chicken and MackDaddy are gonna win. Give it up for Hammers Esports. Trying to figure out a little bit about what just happened there, but Chicken and MackDaddyB with the win. Chicken, 21 kills. Absolutely crazy.